Marsha asked, how do I target a competitor's ASIN in my PPC campaigns? So that's exactly what you do. You choose product under targeting. So it's going to ask you, okay, manual campaign, and it'll then ask you, do you want to target a product or do you want to target keywords? And you're going to choose the product option. And then you're going to scroll down and you're going to add your products to that campaign, make your little ad group, right? You're going to scroll down some more and you'll see some tabs. You can do some options. Amazon will give you suggested products based on the product that you added to your ad group, or you can click the little enter a list. And you click the enter the list tab, and that's where, like Andy was saying, if you're taking the shotgun approach, you just get that list of ASINs from Seller SEO's Chrome extension, and you can just pour them all in there, and then you can click target, and you'll see the whole list of them come up and suggested bids for each. So then that gives you a better idea of where you want to set your bids, or you can choose a default bid, and then you get the bid options for dynamic, that kind of thing. So